We're back at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen and time for another apple recipe. Today I'm going to be doing a vintage recipe that sounded kind of unique. I'm making something called an apple harvest omelet. It's basically an omelet with applesauce inside. Never heard anything like that before, but we're trying it here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, making and tasting yummy foods. It tastes oh so yummy. We'll start by heating some butter in a skillet. I'm doing a 3-egg omelet. For every egg, you add a tablespoon of water and a shake of salt. Whisk it up. I'll need to get my applesauce ready. Just add a little cinnamon on top of that half cup of applesauce. Get it going. I'm gonna add my applesauce to that omelet. Followed by some shredded cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese. Fold it up. And serve. Finish with some cheese. Looks tasty and unique. Applesauce omelet. Who would have thought? Let's find out. The cinnamon is what shines in this. I can taste the cinnamon right away. Followed by some cheese. It's a very clever idea to celebrate the apple and the harvest. Apple harvest omelet. Thanks for joining me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. It's a pleasure having you in my kitchen. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe and hit that notification bell. What do you call an apple that has gas? Ew, a tutti frutti.